Hello, Stretch the Balloon Dude here. I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel, which is going to be all about balloon twisting, balloon techniques, balloon designs, sculptures, things to do with balloons primarily. I may add a few other things as we go, but yeah, since I'm the Balloon Dude, that's pretty much what I'm going to do. Please make sure that you check out the videos, look for things you like, make comments. Be sure to like, share, and of course, subscribe. That's always important too. Keep me going. I've got a Patreon channel setting up. You can show your support there if you like. A couple of things I'd like you to know. For those who know me, you know a little about my history. For those who don't, I am Stretch Clendenin. I've been a balloon artist since 1989, so as of this year, 2018, I'm going on 30 years. So I've picked up a few things along the way that hopefully I can use to help you become a better balloon artist, whether you're a hobbyist, semi-professional, professional, whatever. You will notice something about my videos that I do different from pretty much the majority of other people that put out DVDs, videos, YouTube, wherever they are. Most people sit and you look at them in the camera like this, and then they hold the balloon out in front and they twist like this. Nothing wrong with that. You can see what's going on very well. They're showing you the things. The problem is that now you're looking at it opposite, so it's now backwards. On simpler designs like this simple dog, it's not a big deal, but when you get to the more elaborate designs, you're having to reverse engineer, or well, not reverse engineer, but think backwards, because everything is flipped. I always shoot my videos over the shoulder, and it looks something like this. When you're getting the view like this over the shoulder, what you can see is instead of looking straight on at me and having to reverse what you see what I see, which is also, as you're twisting, what you see. So when you look at the video, you see exactly what you're twisting. So you'll see me twist like this. You know, whatever I'm twisting, you follow along, and it's the same thing. Now, of course, when I'm twisting, I'll tell you things like how much to leave the balloon inflated, how big to make the bubbles, and things like that. But this is just basically showing you the difference in front filming and filming over the shoulder. I think this makes it much easier to follow along, and in particular when we get to the more advanced videos. So let me know what you think about that. Now, you'll notice that there is a difference, and I think it makes it easier to follow along, because now you're not having to reverse everything. So hopefully that'll help you out. If you have any ideas, comments, suggestions, please feel free to post in the comments, let me know. And as always, like I said, subscribe, check out my other videos, and hope to see you around. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping by.